And then in this video, I'm going to show you how to take any image from the internet, starting with Google, and then bringing it into Cricut Design Space and getting it ready to cut. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to Google. Y'all know that we got some Kicker speakers. So we're going to search for the Kicker logo, go images, and of course you're going to find a whole lot of stuff. Now the easiest, in my honest opinion, the easiest way to do this is to go to tools, and then you want to go size, and you're going to go large. This is going to narrow down all the very itty bitty ones that you're not going to be able to do nothing with, right? So then you are going to look for let me go back. What did I type the other time? Okay, so you type in Kicker logo PNG. So a PNG file is going to be easy to deal with. So as you can see, we got several ones. The easiest one probably being maybe this one. Well, that one got a little drop shadow to it, so probably gonna be this one right here, right? It'll show you the size and the resolution down there. So that's 860 by 184, which should be sufficient. This one here is 1571 by 263. So that was a little larger. So I'm gonna just go with, because like I said, there's so many options. I'm gonna just go with this one. It's a nice solid color. You're gonna save the image as, and then you're gonna pick a name for it that describes it, which for us is gonna be Kicker. Alright, so then after that, you have it saved to your computer. You're gonna come over to Cricut Design Space right there. As you can see, I've already got some stuff uploaded here, or stuff that I've converted. Pioneer, the old logo, the new logo, got a Scar Audio, and then y'all remember from the other video where we were messing with the 8. Alright, so we're gonna go upload. We're gonna go upload image. Upload the image, and then from here, spread it out. So you're gonna go drag and drop a file. You're gonna locate the file that you just downloaded, which is this one right here, on your computer. We're gonna tell it that it's a simple image. You know what I'm saying? High contrast colors and transparency or monochrome background. You know what I'm saying? 2 color, black on white, white on black, red, no matter what it is, as long as it's simple and it's not like something with a lot of shading and everything, you should be good to go. So we're gonna hit continue down here in the corner, and then it's going to give you the option to be able to remove the background. See there? See what I did? So you're just gonna go through and you're gonna remove everything that does not need to have the white in it. Now this is probably the easiest way to do this. There is probably a more complex way to do it in Photoshop, Illustrator, but I'm gonna take y'all through it for everybody that don't have that software. Cricut Design Space. It's free, I believe, as far as I know. So yeah. After you create it, it can either be a cut image or it can be a print and then cut image. The difference between these two is the print and then cut image is what we did with the ape, and this would be a vinyl sticker that would be going on the back of the car. So choose that one to upload it, and now anytime that we want, we can create a kicker sticker. Step one, go to Google, find you the image that you want to create. Two, open up Cricut Design Space, go to uploading the image that you just found on Google. After you found the image that you want, bring it over to Cricut Design Space, and then remove what's not needed. Like if you want to make the image a cut image or a print and then cut image. Image is now ready to be cut. Step one in cutting your image in Cricut Design Space. First, make sure that you have your dimensions at the appropriate setting. So the mat for the Cricut is 12 inches, 11.5 is the max width. Start adjusting the width. You want to make sure that you attach image to the mat. You create the image, you want to make sure that you go up here and you click on make 3 or make it, which is going to then take you to this screen, and you choose the setting for your type of machine. For my Cricut Maker 3, I can do it without the mat, which is what we're going to do today. Step, we're going to set up your machine with the Cricut paper and prepare to cut. I need 2 hands. You have your Cricut set up with the smart material. You're gonna go back over to the computer. Verify your settings. At the type of material that you have, which is what we have is Smart Vinyl Permanent. Load tools and material. Once the paper is loaded, you'll see that it is now ready to go. And we're going to press the play button.